So this is my new RC200. It's a sport bike type, just like my RC390 previously. So I got one just to have something that could alternate with my Duke 390. So this would be my second KTM this month. So as you can see, it has 390 decals. It's just the decals, but it's a 200, which you could notice because there's no ABS. So just doing a walk around, as you can see, it's got that mean look like the 390. It basically has the same frame. It's just the engine displacement that's different, and the ABS. So this one is lighter. It's got just the usual disc brake in front. There you go. So it's really sexy, and as you could see, it looks like a race bike. Initially, you'd think it's really ready for racing because even the seat cowl has some aerodynamic design to it. The stock tires are no good for the track though. The brand is MRF. So if you're just gonna use this for city driving, that would be more than adequate. But if you want something for the twisties or for the racetrack, you might want to change it to either Pirelli or a pair of Mets. As you can see, this one has the 390 decals, and this is a Yoshimura aftermarket pipe with VMAX Racing midpipe. So it's a full system. I've completely removed the stock exhaust, which is a bit quiet. So this one's got actually a silencer, so you could just have it removed if I wanted it to be much louder than it is. Later on, I'll turn on the bike so you could hear how it sounds. There you go. It's got a tank pad, and there you go. How it sounds with the silencer. Not bad, huh? So there you go. 2018 KTM RC200 with 390 decals.